Hi, my name is Karl, and I wanted to say a few words about Dr. Ron and his office. I started seeing Ron at the office for chiropractic care about 2007. I had some severe upper back, shoulder, and neck pain. I had limited range of motion, and it had gotten to the point where I was having trouble sleeping, and it was impacting my workday as well. And realized I needed some help, and went to see the doctor. His office was fantastic, very welcoming, friendly. Dr. Ron put together a treatment plan for me that really from the first visit, I felt the effects of the treatment. And through a treatment plan and the exercises and the maintenance work, was able to really overcome the physical issues I was experiencing and got myself onto feeling much better. I still to this day use chiropractic as my health and wellness plan, and just wanted to say again thanks to Dr. Ron and his office for taking such great care of his patients.